rests a stone still rough and white, hidden fire at its core, waiting to reveal much more. Hands of patience draw it near, shaping edges soft and clear. Every cut a gentle call, showing what was there in all. This is where the truth unfolds, in the place where care takes hold. Bit by bit the shine appears, formed by time and carved by years. What was once a muted gleam slowly turns to living beam. Every step in shaping grace brings the light to its true place. Imperfections guide the way, teaching what the stone can say. Every flaw becomes a guide as new brilliance grows inside. Craft and heart move hand in hand, turning roughness into grand. What begins in simple form rises bright through patient storm. This is where the truth unfolds, in the place where care takes hold. Bit by bit the shine appears, formed by time and carved by years. What was once a muted gleam slowly turns to living beam. Every step in shaping grace brings the light to its true place. This is where the truth unfolds, in the place where care takes hold. Bit by bit the shine appears, formed by time and carved by years. What was once a muted gleam slowly turns to living beam. Every step in shaping grace brings the light to its true